Hey you guys, I have decided to start a membership here on YouTube. So if you want more information about building a rental portfolio, whether that's for short-term rentals, mid-term rentals, or long-term rentals, I am going to be giving information about all of that in the membership. Now there are two levels. The first level is if you just want to support me. You may have a lot of information, but you enjoy watching my videos and you would like for me to continue to make videos. You're just wanting to support me in general. You are the VIP, all right? Now, with the VIP level, you'll definitely get a shout out on my future videos. And if you have any questions, you'll get priority answers to your questions, all right? So that is the VIP level for the membership. Now, the next level is the diamond members. So if you want to be a diamond, you are going to get monthly master classes that no one else gets on YouTube. You'll get trainings, you'll get tutorials, you'll get resources, which would be checklists and other things that I have available. Also, you'll get the same perks that you would get as a VIP member. So you get much more, and you get live calls. So monthly I have live calls with my members. You will be able to join those live calls and ask any questions and just join the community. So whether you want to be the VIP member or you want to be the diamond member, it doesn't matter, because you are going to get what you're looking for, okay? Remember, support is always needed in any form or fashion, and I love bringing you guys information, but it does take time, energy, and effort, okay? So I look forward to you guys joining my membership. You can just click the button, join, and it will allow you in, and you'll have access to all of this great information. And I'm continuing to add more and more information on a monthly basis. So I look forward to you joining my community, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.